everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see about how to add actual seal number in container for a job in Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into our Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, open the job for which you are going to add actual seal number. After that, we will be navigated to job page. In this page, we can find all the details of the job. Here, click on the container and then click on the edit button to add the actual seal number. Now, in this page, enter the required details. We can see the actual seal column. There, we have to provide the actual seal number and click on the Save Changes button. After adding the actual seal number, this is how to add actual seal number in container for a job. Thanks for watching.